It's ISE 2025. We're here in Barcelona. We're on the ClearCom stand here, and I'm chatting to Kari. Hi, Kari. How are you doing?
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here with you. Doing fantastic.
Good,
the show
good.
is just ramping up.
Yeah.
And,
Day one, but it's
day
busy.
one. It's looking exciting.
Yeah. So straight into business. We've spoken about FreeSpeak before, but there's a new incarnation of it now. But for those that might not be familiar with FreeSpeak, give us a quick recap of what it does.
Yeah. So FreeSpeak is the world's first, shall I say, almost like a roaming wireless intercom system where you could put up antenna transceivers distributed where you need them, when you need them, all connected on cat cables back to a base station, where the belt pack actually roams between these transceivers as you move through your system. This has been on the market since the early 2000s.
Yep.
It has seen some incarnations, and today we are very excited to bring out the newest member in the family.
The Icon.
The Icon.
So tell us what's changed.
So FreeSpeak 2 has been out for quite a while now. And so FreeSpeak Icon effectively is more of everything.
Okay.
So we now have 9 programmable keys on the belt pack. So that allows you to have multiple channels at your fingertips. Depending on the systems, you can also do things like point-to-point calls to your colleagues and so on. You can arrange that in any way, separately for each user. We have, very importantly, 4 volume controls, 2 on the sides and 2 on the front, for very granular control of levels of different things that you have going on your intercom system. And then finally, master level control. So where you can quickly go and turn things up and down for your entire mix as you move from a quieter environment to a louder environment and so on.
Okay. And is this actually out in the field now, already shipping?
We have been running field trials for a couple of months now. We're very happy with the results, and we should be shipping within the next couple of weeks.
So give me a typical idea of who's using this or who will be using it.
Now, as an example, stage managers.
Okay.
So stage managers, often they need to have the ability to get into their most commonly used channels while also being able to do private conversations to certain people or be able to page people in the backstage and so on.
Yeah.
With this number of buttons, you can have your main channels on top and be able to do things like paging and private conversations to your executive producer or whatever you may have here on the buttons on the front of the belt pack.
And it fits seamlessly, I'm sure, into the ClearCom ecosystem.
Absolutely. So the FreeSpeak Icon belt pack works on both of our Eclipse Matrix systems, as well as our Arcadia Central Station and the FreeSpeak Edge base.
Okay, amazing. And shipping now?
It's not shipping now, shipping in a couple of weeks from now.
Okay.
But as I said, we're tremendously happy with the results we've been seeing from field trials. There is, of course, a regular headset connector on the belt pack.
Okay.
There is also a Bluetooth 5.3 chipset on here, so that you can use various types of Bluetooth headsets with the belt packs. And then finally, there is a built-in speaker and a microphone in the belt pack for hands-free use. So that, let's say, during setup and so on, when your environment is perhaps a little bit more casual, you can use this without a headset, and when the show starts, you can plug in the headset and get going.
So you've clearly been listening to your customers to get the feedback to develop all these extra features.
Listening and observing.
Yeah.
So, like there are things that people will tell you, and then there are the things that you observe, like how people interact with a tool like this. Because a tool like this is very personal to the user.
Absolutely, it becomes part of your
exactly.
your clothing. Yeah. Where can people find out more information?
On our ClearCom website and at our ClearCom representatives around the world.
Thank you very much indeed. Do check out the websites for everything about the brand new FreeSpeak Icon. We're doing a couple of more videos here on the ClearCom booth, so do look at those on our channel. And for everything else we're doing at ISE, that's at KitPlus.com.